My wife has soakers running throughout her flower garden and they work well. A big caution. Watering frequently encourages roots to stay near the surface and makes them more susceptible to drought. It's much better to water less frequently but more thoroughly to encourage the roots to go deeper to find water. In my area, plants in the ground need about 1/2 inches per week. Clay soil, which we deliver in 2 waterings. This changes for pots and raised beds, but I wouldn't water anything but new grass twice a day. You can test by watering for 8 hours, then in 3-4 days. Dig down 6 inches and check the soil moisture and adjust as necessary. If your plants are wilted in the morning, you know they need more water.